Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Kingston Wharf. This is Newport West, where you have the Kingston Container Terminal, which is the largest wharf in our port in Jamaica. So we are driving through the Newport West area now, heading to the Kingston Container Terminal. So 90% of all the goods that come into Jamaica via sea come into this port. So you have a lot of warehouses and storage facilities in this area. So this is the Kingston Wharf building now, where if you want to clear small items like a stuff on a pallet or a barrel, this is one of the locations you can go to clear it. Straight ahead is the Facey Commodity Warehouse. This warehouse, it's still under construction. It's not operational yet, but it's a massive warehouse. Straight ahead is where the NCB branch used to be, and it's now used by Ironclad, which is a storage facility. And then straight ahead is another one of the Kingston Wharf's warehouse. That one is the Kingport building. And you have a lot of brokers and shipping companies down here as well. Think with 90% of all the freight coming into Jamaica, all the goods, everything, you would have better roads for this area. Really surprising that they haven't fixed them. Just have to see some things to believe them. Right, so straight ahead is the Kingston Container Terminal, and you can see some ships are in port to be either loaded or unloaded. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.